Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this series of PDCET videos, today we are going to discuss what may be the expected cutoff branch wise. Considering the seat matrix which got published, and as per the seat matrix, few seats are reduced, but not major changes in the seats. Instead of increment, seats are reduced. That's a fact. Okay, if you are interested to go with our paid counseling guidance services or data level access on the portal, these are the packages: 3,000, 5,000, and 20,000. Okay, in 20,000 we may provide some negotiation also. So what you may be able to access on these portals: closing rank, seat matrix, updated fee, a stipend and bond. In case you go for the choice filling, you can access whether they provide hostels. You may be able to predict the colleges, government, private. Notifications will be updated here throughout the counseling. College details, required documents, videos, and all such things. Okay, this is how you can access the portal. You need to just sign up, and then you can see all the details there which I mentioned, and you can check it, and then you can choose to purchase it. Talking about the last year cutoff for the private institutes and government institute, both are segregated here separately. Among the government institutes, these branches are available: anesthesia. If I tell you how many seats are there in OBC and SC EWS, so minimal seats are there in these categories. Okay, and you might able to see that cutoff in category is higher than in general quota. It all depends on the choice filling, okay, and the seat availability. So you must make sure that you have to fill the choices in right way, okay, because you don't have many chances, just two chance to do the selection. Okay, and you need to know the exposure you might be getting in the institutes, how much stipend you should be getting, and whether they provide hostel facility, in which order you should arrange the colleges. It's not always necessary that government colleges, because in the government institutes, all sort of railway institutes, PSUs, then autonomous institutes, GMERS, and then district level hospitals. Small district level hospitals are also considered under the government institutes. The cutoff for the government institute is equivalent to the private institutes, because you have on the lower side the district hospitals. So how to arrange the choices? Mixing both private, central level institutes, government institute, district hospitals, and corporate hospitals at the same time. Good private institutes, okay, some charitable hospital, trust hospitals. Okay, so where you get the better chance for hands-on, because you have completed diploma, now you are going to get the degree in next 2 years. So that hands-on experience exposure matters a lot. Okay, so this is the cutoff, and based on the cutoff you may be able to get an idea what you can expect. Okay, you can expect in government, private, and if you want to get an idea like what sort of colleges you are expecting in your rank, then you go and access this portal. Okay, or in any kinds of services you require, you can contact us on 9319128677. You may also WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, so more number of seats are available in anesthesia, obstetrics, then pediatrics, radio diagnosis, ophthalmology, these branches. Okay, that's why you can see the cutoff. See, it's branch wise, it's not like generic. Okay, so branch wise what rank you have got, depending on that you can figure out what you may expect. Okay, I'll conclude the video with this, and the choice filling and the registration process is going to start from tomorrow 8th, and it will go on until 12th. Okay, registration is going to happen only once. You won't get the another opportunity to do the registration. Okay, you can watch our previous videos to get an idea like how the counseling process goes on and what are the different important factors to keep in mind. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.